What's up guys, today we have a special video, because we will unbox a Christmas present from Ugreen company. I already know what's inside the box, so it won't be a surprise for me. You can also order this Christmas present on Ugreen official website. Hurry up, because there are only 10 pieces left. Without further ado, let's start unboxing. On the box we can see Ugreen logo and a beautiful Christmas picture. Let's take the film off and open the box. First, there's a greeting card with wishes for the next year, 2023. And then we can see 4 boxes, and each of them is signed. You know, it is like a little advent calendar. So the first device from Ugreen Christmas present is 100-watt desk charger. We will take a closer look at each device a little later. But for now, I want to unbox them. Then we have a 65-watt power strip. By the way, there's also a user manual for each product in the package. The next gift is USB-C hub. There are also 2 cables in the Christmas box, such as USB-C to Lightning cable and USB-C to USB-C cable. You know, I really have the impressions of Christmas present from this unboxing. Now let's take a closer look at each product and talk about the other features. The first device I took out of the box was desktop charger. It has a full name of Nexode 100-watt desktop charger. There is an input on the back. By the way, the power cable also comes in the package. On the front we can see 3 USB-C ports and USB-A port. You can use the USB-C 1 and USB-C 2 for charging laptops and smartphones. While the USB-C 3 and USB-A are designed for mobile devices, I found this useful picture on the official website. The maximum output power of USB-C 1 and USB-C 2 is 100 watt, while the USB-C 3 and USB-A have 22.5 watt. In addition, the charging speed depends on which ports you use. If you use all the ports, the charging speed will be 45 watt, 30 watt, 10.5 watt and 10.5 watt. That's very good. The next product in the Christmas box from Ugreen is 65-watt USB-C DigiNest Cube charging station. It is larger and heavier than the previous desktop charger, but in addition to USB ports, it has 3 AC outlets on the top and sides. You can use them to charge a host, monitor, projector, lamp, and other devices. Talking about USB ports, there are 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A on the front. The maximum output power of USB-C port is 65 watt. And USB-A port has 18 watt. The charging station automatically detects connected devices and charges them with optimal current. You can find them on the official website. By the way, DigiNest Cube has an overload protection switch and master switch on the back. The power cable is very strong and it has a length of 6 feet or 1.8 meters. Last but not least, the product in Ugreen Christmas present is USB-C hub. Actually, it is called USB-C to HDMI Ethernet adapter on official website. It really has Ethernet port, as well as 2 USB 3.0 port, SD card slot, TF card slot, HDMI port and USB-C port. The power cable is USB-C, so you can connect a hub to your laptop. In the user manual I found a picture of how you can use each port, for example HDMI for connection projector or monitor, USB-C for charging laptop or smartphone, USB 3.0 for connection computer mouse or USB flash drive, etc. By the way, HDMI port supports 4K at 60 Hz external monitor, and Ethernet port has 1000 megabit per second maximum speed. So this is very useful 7-in-1 multifunction adapter. There are also 2 charging cables in the Christmas box. Both of them have a length of 6 feet or 1.8 meters. USB-C to Lightning cable has a very high data transfer of 480 megabits per second. The charging speed depends on the power adapter. USB-C to USB-C cable supports 100 watt fast charging, so you can use it to charge your laptop. I really enjoyed unpacking this Christmas box and testing the devices. I think it is a very nice gift. The packaging and the unpacking experience are very festive, and the devices are high quality and useful. If you don't need a Christmas present, you can buy any of these products separately. Thank you for watching this video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!